The I-4 Ultimate project is a 21-mile reconstruction of Interstate 4 through Orange and Seminole counties from Kirkman Road to State Road 434. The project is reconfiguring 15 major interchanges, rebuilding existing lanes and bridges, and adding express lanes to help manage traffic. As part of the I-4 Ultimate project in Seminole County, the State Road 434 and I-4 interchange in Longwood is being reconstructed. The latest improvement is on westbound State Road 434 and I-4. Motorists on westbound State Road 434 heading toward downtown Orlando have been turning left at the traffic signal underneath I-4 to get to westbound I-4. As soon as Saturday, April 4th, drivers who want to head westbound on I-4 toward Maitland, Winter Park, Orlando, and the attractions will take a new loop ramp on the right. Drivers will no longer use the two left lanes to access westbound I-4 from 434. Remember, continue to use caution when driving through the work zone. Pay attention, drive the posted speed limit, and put down your phone. If you have any questions about the project, contact David Parks, Community Outreach Specialist at davidparks@i4ultimate.com. You can also stay informed about the project by logging on to i4ultimate.com. The website has information about the entire 21-mile corridor and what changes are being made. On the website, you can sign up for route-specific email and text alerts in our monthly e-newsletter.